Great! Here's a step-by-step full course on artificial intelligence, AI, in English, designed especially for beginners like you. You stuck? Artificial Intelligence, AI, full beginner course. Stuckse. Unit 1, Introduction to AI. 1. What is artificial intelligence? 2. History of AI. 3. Why AI is important today. 4. Real-world examples of AI. Unit 2, Types of AI. 1. Narrow AI, weak AI. 2. General AI, strong AI. 3. Super AI, future AI. 4. Reactive machines versus learning machines. Virtual. Unit 3, Core areas of AI. 1. Machine learning, ML. 2. Natural language processing, NLP. 3. Computer vision. 4. Robotics. 5. Expert systems. Unit 4, Machine Learning, ML, Basics. 1. What is machine learning? 2. Types of ML, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning. 3. Examples of ML, recommendation systems, spam filters, etc. Unit 5, Data and Algorithms. 1. What is data? Why is it important? 2. What are algorithms? 3. Training and testing AI. 4. Common ML algorithms, decision trees, linear regression, neural networks. Unit 6, Natural Language Processing, NLP. 1. What is NLP? 2. Chatbots, translation and voice assistance. 3. Sentiment analysis, positive, negative opinions. Ratris. Unit 7, Computer Vision. 1. What is computer vision? 2. Image recognition. 3. Face detection. 4. Applications, healthcare, security, etc. Batra. Unit 8, Robotics and AI. 1. Difference between AI and robots. 2. How robots use AI to think and move. 3. Examples of smart robots. Unit 9, Tools and Languages in AI. 1. Programming languages, Python, R2. AI tools and libraries, TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, Keras. 3. Free platforms to try AI, Google Colab, Teachable Machine, Dara, Bedrooks. Unit 10, Benefits and Challenges of AI. 1. How AI helps in education, health, agriculture, business. 2. Risks and ethics of AI. 3. Future of AI. Unit 11, Final Project, Practical. Make your first AI model using a free tool. Example project, image recognition or chatbot. Would you like me to begin with? Unit 1, Introduction to AI. Today, I can teach it like a lesson, or give you notes, or a video script. Just tell me your style.